Name's Alan Kelly with AB Kelly Trucking. I purchased a Green APU unit about a month ago. Keeps your batteries charged, truck cooled. I've had it in 95-degree weather already, and it's kept me and my wife and my two dogs very comfortable. It's a really good APU. I have noticed in the past 3 weeks that I've saved about 30 to 40 gallons of fuel a week with this thing not idling. It's a substantial savings at the end of the year. I have noticed that. I was purchasing about 130 to 160 gallons of fuel in California to top off every week, and now I'm purchasing about 75 to 85 gallons. So it's saving me roughly 30 to 40 gallons a week on average. So I think that's a substantial savings in itself. I recommend the Green APU out of Lamont, Illinois, to pretty much anybody. I think it's the best thing going.